All right, let's move back north a bit, back up to the Big Apple, where we just had our biggest snow in 5 years' time. This wild storm forced LaGuardia Airport to shut down for hours, much of the day yesterday. And today, thousands of cancellations have been reported across LaGuardia, JFK, in Newark, which means there are big-time ripple effects across the country as the whole system tries to get back on schedule. It's going to be a bit. Fox Weather Correspondent Robert Ray has been out in it all weekend. We mean that quite literally, Robert. I think it was like 15 hours you were showing us the scenes out there. Great work as always, the machine. I saw your video. You had somebody snowboarding through Times Square. I think the sentiment here, because it had been so long, although it's a pain, folks enjoyed seeing some real snow again.
No doubt, Ian. Absolutely. Yeah, New Yorkers and tourists all were loving the snow yesterday. It's just been a while, right? A hot minute. 5 years since we've seen this much snow in New York City. And by the way, where I'm standing right now, yeah, in Central Park, nearly a foot of snow fell. And as I walk up here, perhaps Doug zooms out and we see the expanse, one of the most iconic, beautiful shots here in Manhattan and Central Park. Just beautiful, now covered in snow, and there are many people walking around the park today, whether they're sledding or just taking in the sights, even though it is quite chilly. But let's rewind to Sunday and look at the video of the snow coming into New York City. Before the sun came up, it all began, inundating the streets with snow and sleet. Remember, it turned into a sleet form mid to late afternoon yesterday, but people trudging through the sidewalks and across the roads. We probably witnessed, unfortunately, about 4 dozen people fall because of how slick it actually was. And the cavalry of the equipment moving the snow to the side was in full force yesterday. Remember, 19,000 lane miles that had to be plowed here in the 5 boroughs of New York, with nearly 3,000 pieces of equipment. And then you have people with the shovels and the blowers trying to get all the snow from off of the streets. It was quite a scene, and Times Square illuminating all of it. Really amazing. People were excited that we talked to. And then you wake up today and you realize, as we look at this video, the snow removal is super important in getting New York City and commerce back. And that's what we witnessed. Huge piles of snow with tractor trailers moving it into the back of dump trucks. Those dump trucks dumping that snow in the rivers that line Manhattan, and then Central Park and all of its beauty. And the people with, out here, kids have no school, so there's kids out here sledding, families walking around, and tourists taking in the magic. Having said that, there's no magic at the airports. They are still in a major issue with cancellations and delays. And now we've got this next potential storm that is looming this weekend. Ian?
Yeah, the whole Fox Forecast Center staring at that, Robert. I know you're a Chicago guy through and through. There's something special, though, about Central Park and the snow, right? It looks like you're on the set of like a rom-com right now.
Yeah, it's incredible. I mean, I don't know, Doug, if you could just completely zoom out so everybody could see the view here. Yeah, it's so beautiful, and that's why everybody is walking around. And actually, Doug, give Ian and our viewers a shot of the little bridge and the people going over. I mean, you'd have to be a good painter to create that image, and yet if you're here in Central Park, you could see it for free, and it really is beautiful. Yeah, I've said this before, that I don't think there's a prettier place in America than Central Park after a snowstorm.
Yeah, if you weren't married with the girls, you probably find love out there today. It's that kind of scene. It's that kind of scene, Robert.
Well,
great work.
Yes.
You've been, like I said, a machine throughout the weekend. We'll be checking back with you in a little bit. Thank you.